Hey folks, we're talking about how to negotiate a South Carolina car or motorcycle accident settlement with an insurance claims adjuster. The first thing you need to remember is there's one way insurance companies keep their billions, and that's keeping it from you. That's why they have highly trained claims reps and even lawyers. Any settlement negotiation for a car or motorcycle accident case should include a demand letter. That's an industry term for an official settlement offer. Here's what your demand letter needs to include. 1. Prove fault or legal liability. Without it, you don't get a settlement. Use the police report to prove exactly how the police found the at-fault driver caused the crash. Point out the specific traffic law the at-fault driver broke and how it can lead to punitive damages. Use pictures of the wreck and of the scene to tell the story. 2. Present and explain medical records. Medical evidence proves your injuries, but you've got to be able to explain it to show you know how to get it into court, and most importantly, highlight the severity of your injuries. 3. Prove pain and suffering, which isn't just pain and suffering. There's a whole lot more to pain and suffering because there is a list of legal factors that goes into compensating you for what you went through in the crash. That's why I call it human loss. If you're severely hurt, it's probably the biggest part of your case. And this is your one chance to prove the unique effect the crash had on your life. 4. Prove lost wages. If the doctor kept you out of work because of your injuries, you need to be able to prove the income you lost, which might mean you need to get some help from your boss or human resources. I've got a form for that. If you're severely permanently injured, this might require a calculation that's going to involve experts like accountants, economists, and maybe a vocational consultant. 5. Present critical evidence. This is the fun part for me, where I get to creatively figure out how to use certain evidence like pictures or videos to tell a compelling story about what the crash did to you to convince the insurance company pay a better settlement. For example, in DUI accident cases, I often use the DUI arresting officer's dash cam to prove how drunk or high the defendant or at-fault driver was when they caused the crash. Finally, you need to know how much of a settlement you should ask for to begin with. The last thing you want to do is make an amateur offer that just lowballs yourself. That's where an experienced South Carolina car or motorcycle accident lawyer can really help. So yep, this probably seems like a lot to you, because it is, but it's not to me, because I'm a professional. Think about handling your case by handing it to me, because it's my job to protect your right to a proper settlement. I thank you for thinking about this with me, and I hope I see you soon.